Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. In this video, today again I have come up with another idea how to solve a simple equation. Means how to find x or any variable given in an equation. What is the simplest way? Because some of the students still they are expressing their difficulties in solving such equations when it comes new type. Okay, so let us go ahead with the method and try to solve it. First one, when you take 4 minus 5x 4 minus 5x is equal to 20. Few students will be able to solve in a class and maximum students will not be able to solve. So simplest way, let us follow that. Now if you write this, along with sign you write this now. If no sign, you have to think that it is having plus sign. So you write this, one step you make it extra and try. Plus 4. 4 you can write it as plus 4 as it is. Now this you change it like this. 5 into x. In the beginning you follow these methods. It becomes simplest one. Now this is 20 as it is. Now along with sign you have to transpose a particular number to the right side. Okay. When you transpose you keep it in mind. If it is only positive or negative sign, only that will change when you send it to the other side. So this plus 4 becomes minus 4 if you take and write this side, right? So remaining you have to write as it is. You write this minus 5x minus 5 into x as it is you write. This if you transpose this becomes 20 minus 4, right? This becomes what? 5 into x as it is you write, no problem. In the beginning you follow one or two extra steps, no problem. 20 minus 4 is how much? It is 16, right? Now what you have to do here, transposing means most of you will be doing this mistake. What? This x is equal to, if I take this minus 5 that side, this becomes minus 5. This is wrong because this is with into sign it is written. 5x means what? It is multiplied number. So keep it in mind. So what you have to do is, you should not write it like that. You have to go for this. Here we don't want minus 5 here. Only we want x. So what you can do, if you cancel this minus 5, what is the number with what you can cancel? Exactly with minus 5 if you cancel, you will get 1. Right? Here both sides you divide by minus 5. Because what you are doing one side, same operation has to be done on the other side also. Here also minus 5 we divide. Right? Now minus 5 ones are, here minus 5 ones are, otherwise minus minus they get cancelled. 5 ones are, 5 ones are you can say. Okay. So what happens here? 5 ones, what is this? 1. 1 into x means what? It is x or not? Only x remains, right? Here up it is positive sign, down it is negative sign. In integers you already studied. If there is a fraction like this, plus divided by minus, result will be minus, right? So you this you should keep it in mind. So what you have to do, this will be minus 16 divided by 5. This will be the answer. If you write this fraction in simplest form, it comes in mixed fraction, right? Okay, that mixed fraction you can change it if you want. Now x is equal to minus 16 by 5 is our answer. Whether it is right or wrong, who knows, right? Let us verify it once. How to verify? Just in this equation we'll put this value. If you put value of x, what we have got here, this should be equal to this, means 20. Here also 20, here also 20 we must get. So let us take here LHS. Okay, verify. In LHS, 4 minus 5, what is the value of x? Minus 16 by 5 we have got, right? Same I'll write here, minus 16 by 5, right? Wrote. Next coming to is equal to LHS we have taken 4 minus 5 ones, and here also 5 ones went. What remains? Here 1 remains now. Inside what remains now? Minus 16 remains, right? Now what you have to do is 4 minus 1 into minus 16. Minus into minus what? Plus. 1 into 16, 16. This is equal to what? 20 or not? So here RH is what? So here we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. This is how we can solve. Because here 5 ones, here 5 ones. It has gone already. Right? It is cancelled. That is why I have written here 1. What remains inside? Minus 16 as it is. This 1 into minus is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 16 means minus into minus plus 1 into 16 is 16. 4 I have written as it is. 16 plus 4 or 4 plus 16, it is 20 or not. So what we are getting, LHS is also 20, RHS is also 20. So that is why LHS is equal to RHS. So this is how we can solve. This is 1. Now let us go ahead with the next equation. Let us take the second equation. That is 3 by 4 plus 7y is equal to 35. Right? Now how to solve this one? First you need to change this to that side. Means you have to transpose 3 by 4 to the right side. So while transposing, you need to keep it in mind that this carries plus sign already. So only this can be transposed with a negative sign that side. So how to solve this? Here plus 7 as it is, you write 7y. This 35, if you transpose this to the other side, this becomes minus 3 by 4. Right? Minus 3 by 4 we got. Here 7y I'll keep as it is. Here you should keep it in mind. In 6th standard already you have studied, that is addition and subtraction of what? Fractions. There what you have learned, if you are subtracting or adding any fraction with whole number or one more fraction, that time here sign, if it is negative, subtraction of numbers you have to do. If it is positive, you have to do addition. But before doing that, you have to go for LCM. You have to find out the LCM. LCM means what? You are making the denominator same. Here nothing is there. Below that 1 will be there. Okay. So how to take LCM? Here 1 and 4. There is any number common other than 1. Only 1 is common. So what you have to do? 1 into 4. 4 is LCM. So what you have to do? This 1 into 4 you multiply. 1 into 4 is 4. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 ones are 4. 1 fours, that is 4. This is how we are getting, right? Now what we will do is 35 into 4 you have to multiply. This is 3 4s are 120. 34s are 120 plus 5 4s are 140. We are getting 140 minus 3. Right? Now 140 minus 3 means what we are getting? 137 we are getting. 7y is equal to 137 divided by 4 you got. Right? Now what you have to do? This we don't want here on the left side 7. So what you can do? This 7y is nothing but it is 7 into y, right? Here also 137 by 4. If you don't want this, you have to transpose this to the other side. Means how? This is into, if it goes to the other side, this becomes division. Here it is numerator. If it goes to the other side, it becomes denominator. So how to do that? Y is equal to 137 divided by 4 as it is. And this, if you take it to the other side, this becomes into reciprocal, it becomes 1 by 7. Okay, you have to take its reciprocal. Whenever you are transposing the number which is multiplied with a variable to the other side, that number you have to take its reciprocal. We are not changing the sign. Okay, most of you will be having confusion. If I take it to the other side, this becomes minus 7. Here writing minus 7. Okay, no, because it is multiplied here. If it is multiplied, it has to become division that side. How? It becomes reciprocal. Remember. Now this we got. This will be y is equal to 137 divided by 7 4s are, what is that? 28. Okay. Now if you if you simplify this one again further, you are getting mixed fraction. Now y is equal to this much we got. Whether this is right or wrong, if you want to verify, let us take the left hand side, that is LHS. LHS if you take is equal to 3 by 4 I am taking plus 7 into y value, what is what? 137 divided by 28 we are writing, right? Now what happens? Look at this. 7 ones, 7 fours. That is what we are getting, 3 by 4 plus 137, 3 by 4 as it is, plus 7 ones, 7 fours went. So 137 here down, it is 4. 3 plus 137 is what? 140. 137 plus 3 is 140 because denominators are same. that is 4 only denominator. So what we have to do is, if we cancel this, what do we get here? 4 ones, 4 threes, 4 threes, 12. What remains? 2 remains, 20, 4 fives, that is 35. Right? We are getting RHS or not? It is equal to RHS. So what we can say? LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. Okay, it is 100% correct what we have got that answer here. This is second equation. Okay. Now let us go ahead with next equation. How to solve? We'll see that. Okay. Now coming to third equation. That is 2/5 of P minus 20 is there, is equal to minus 4. Right? What to do? We don't want this 2/5 here. So to cancel this, what you can do? Just you multiply 5 by 2 with this. This cancels exactly. Here 5 by 2, if you can write reciprocally multiply, finished. If you want to cancel any fraction, multiplying is reciprocal. If you want to cancel any number, multiplying its reciprocal again. Means they get cancelled and 1 remains there. So if you are multiplying here this, here also you must multiply what? 5 by 2. Right? Now both sides you have to do the same operation, because if you take a balance, common balance, if you keep here half kg, here also half kg, there will be no any effect in the balance. Means it will be weighing equal. Right? Means we should not affect the equation. If you don't want to affect the equation, and if you want to get the solution, this is the rule there. What is that? We have to do the same operation with the same number on either side, both sides. Now coming to 2 ones, 2 ones went, 5 ones, here also 5 ones went. What remains here? 5, that is P minus 20 is equal to, here 2 ones, 2 twos, means minus 2 remains into 5 is there. 5 I am writing as it is. Here P minus 20 is equal to 2 fives, how much? Minus 10, because minus into plus. With no sign means it is plus. Plus into minus, minus 2 fives 10. So what we can do? P is equal to minus 10. If you take it to the other side now, because it is carrying negative sign, this becomes positive sign, that side. That becomes 20. So this will be P is equal to 20 minus 10. When there are opposite signs, what you have to do? Subtraction you need to do. How? 20 minus 10 is what? 10. Bigger number sign you need to write. That is plus. So plus you write, or you can leave, no problem. That is P is equal to 10 we are getting. This is the right answer. Now we will check whether it is right or wrong what we have done. If you want to check it, you take the equation which is already solved already. 2/5 of P. P means P we have got, that is 10 minus 20. 10 minus 20. Okay. First I'll write the same P. Afterwards we will substitute the values. You should not get confused. Yes. Now 2/5. P means 10 minus 20 is equal to minus 4. Right? Now what remains? This 2/5 of 20 minus 10. That is 10. Bigger number sign is what? Minus. Minus. Right? Here 5 ones, 5 twos. Here 2 into 2 is 4. Plus into minus is minus. Means we are getting again is equal to RHS. Right? Hence what we can say? LHS is equal to RHS, which is equal to minus 4. Right? Both sides we are getting same number. So what we can say? What we have solved, it is 100% correct. This is how we can follow. Okay. Next, if you take any equation, you remember this is very much important. Here 7y means 7 into y, 5x means 5 into x. That you have to keep it in mind. If it is into x, if you are transposing to the other side, it does not change its sign. It just becomes reciprocal when it goes to the other side. Remember, only if it is positive or negative sign, only they will be changing signs, but they will not become what? Reciprocals. Now let us take fourth equation. Fourth one, what is that? 4 by m minus 5 is equal to 24, right? Now what we will do is just 4 by m we will write. We should always keep that variable if it is divided by or if it is multiplied by whatever it is. It has to be on the left side. That is unknown thing, x, y, m, n, whatever it may be. Now here 4 by m minus 5 is there. What I'll do, 24. I'll transpose this to the other side. What happens? With negative sign changes to positive sign. This becomes plus 5. So this becomes 4 by m is equal to 24 plus 5 is what? 29. Right? 29. Next coming to here, we don't want here 4 by m we don't want. We want m. So what can we do here? Just let us transpose this m to this side and this side. What happens is, see, 4, this we bring to the other side. This becomes 29. If you take it to the other side, this becomes here division. This becomes here denominator. That side this becomes numerator. That is m. So m is equal to 4 by 29. You can see this is the answer. Whether we are right or wrong, let us check it once. Whether this is just verification. That is 4 by m means what? 4 upon 29. 4 by 29. Okay. Here equation, in this we are substituting. 4 by 29 I am writing minus 5. Okay, this is LHS, it is what I am writing. Okay, this will be equal to 4 by, now any whole number when it is divided by a fraction, what we are doing? We are taking the reciprocal and multiplying, right? Reciprocal of the fraction we are taking and multiplying, right? 29 by 4 we are multiplying. So this becomes minus 5. Here 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Okay, gets cancelled. Next here 29 minus 5 remains. 29 minus 5 means what? 24. Have we got the same answer? It is 100% correct because we are getting here RHS also as 24. LHS is equal to RHS we got now. LHS is equal to RHS is equal to 24. This is how we can solve for m here, right? Now let us go ahead with next equation. That is fifth one. Meanwhile, I hope you will also be trying. If you try and go ahead, it is better. In case you do not get the answer, you can watch it, right? First you solve and watch the answer. It is better. Okay, now coming to fifth equation. Fifth equation is what? It is 2 by 3, 2/3 of 1 minus t is equal to a, what, minus 6 it is given. Here we don't want a 2/3 here because we have to simplify this. We have to remove this first. So what we can do? Just you multiply 3 by 2 with this. Reciprocal you multiply, it will get cancelled. Okay, here 2 by 3. This is into the bracket. Into the bracket means these both are into sign, with into sign they are given. Don't imagine any plus or minus sign in between. Okay, if you are getting confused, you write like this, no problem. 1 minus t is equal to minus 6. Okay, now to cancel this, you have to multiply. What you can multiply here? 2/3. Here you multiply 3 by 2 with this into 1 minus t. What you multiplied, same has to be multiplied that side also. 6 into 3 by 2. You need to multiply here also. Now simplify. 3 ones went. 2 ones. This got cancelled. What remains? Left side 1 minus t is remaining. Here 2 ones, 2 threes. That is minus 3 into 3. Minus 3 into 3 means what? Here minus 3 into 3. Right? 3 threes are 9. Minus into plus minus. That is minus 9 you are getting. So what this becomes? 3 threes are minus 9. Now we don't want what? Here 1. Let us transpose this to that side. Otherwise you can go for one more shortcut method. That is t you take to the right side. It changes its sign. Okay. Because positive t you have to get. Always variables you have to keep them in positive sign, not with negative signs. Okay, whatever the numbers are coming as solutions, let them be negative sign, no problem. But variables you should not keep negative sign with them. So what you can do is one you keep as it is, you bring this to the other side. When you bring it from left to right side to left side, what happens? Negative sign changes to positive sign. 1 plus 9 it becomes. This negative sign becomes positive sign, right? T. 1 plus 9 is what? 10 is equal to T. This you can change it like this and write T is equal to 10, right? Finished. Now let us substitute this T is equal to 10 in the given equation. Whether are we right or wrong? Let us check it once, right? So for verification, we'll solve it here. That is 2/3 of 1 minus T is equal to minus 6. In this, if you substitute the value 2/3 into 1 minus T is what? 10 is equal to, okay, this we are solving. Just LHS we are taking. Okay, this is LHS. 2/3 of 1 minus 10 means that is minus 9 we are getting, right? Minus 9. Because 10 minus 1 is 9. Bigger number sign is minus. 3 ones, 3 threes. That is what we are getting, minus 3 it is. 2 into 3 is 6, plus into minus is minus, means we are getting minus 6. It is 100% correct. That is equal to RHS. So what we can say, LHS is equal to RHS. It is proved, right? So this is how we solved. Next, I hope remaining 3 you can try. For you also I need to give, right? You try all the remaining 3 equations and comment your answers. If you are able to solve, excellent. Otherwise, we'll go ahead with those and we will make it still simpler. Okay. See you in the next video.